This is the 2020 iPhone SE. It's basically your iPhone 8 with the monster internals of an iPhone 11. Just like any other phone, the first accessory you get is probably a case, and the most popular case is a clear case. I went ahead and purchased 10 clear cases from Amazon, and we're gonna go ahead and check them out with a bonus accessory at the end that I think you don't want to miss. Coming right up. What's up everybody, my name is Sean. Welcome to my tech channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by and you enjoy tech content like this, you might want to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you won't miss my future videos. I just want to say real quick, this video is not sponsored. I went ahead and bought all these cases myself. So if you do want to support me and my channel, before you forget, give this video a like. And as you are watching these cases, drop a comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite one. Let's get to it. The first case is by a company called Caseco. This particular one I'd actually featured in another video I had done. I personally really like this case. It comes with a screen protector as well. So here it is. This is the Caseco. The buttons are still very clicky. It has a really nice lip all the way around to protect the screen, and you have a really nice thickness in the back to protect the lens. Very minimalistic, and it offers a good amount of protection for its size. It also has these small raised edges at the bottom, so when you're gonna set it on a table, it is not going to scratch the back of the case. Second case is by a company called ESR. These are all from Amazon. I have the links down in the description below. It has a bit of a rugged look and feel around the edges. It's kind of like a hard shell. The corners are raised a little bit around the edges, so it looks like it can offer better protection if the phone gets dropped from the sides. The back, again, it offers good amount of protection for the camera because of the thickness it has in the back. These edges are raised a little bit, so when you set it on a table, it is not going to scratch back of the phone. The buttons are clicky. It offers a good amount of protections around the edge of the screen. Nice protection when you have it face down. I like this. Next one is also by ESR. This looks more subtle compared to the last case. Very snug fit. It has a nice lip all the way around in the back, as well as a little bit of a raised edges, so when you set it down, you're not going to scratch the back. Good amount of camera protection. This one is definitely thinner compared to the last two cases, and it offers minimal protections around the edges, and the screen has a very subtle lip protection. Probably would not recommend this one because I'm worried if the screen's gonna get scratched easily. I wish this was a little bit raised around the edges in the front. This is Shamo's. The back is not 100% clear. It has these dotted texture. This one's much softer. It actually doesn't look that bad. You can definitely see the dotted pattern in the back. The screen protection is decent, definitely more than the last one. The buttons are clicky, not as tactile as the previous three cases we looked at. The back is definitely thick enough to offer protection for the lens, but it does not have any raised edges to prevent the case from scratching. So not a huge fan of this one, but it's just another option for you guys to consider. So far I like the first two better. The next case is by a company called Taurus. The packaging is really nice. Actually, you have two separate cutouts, one for the lens and one for the flash, instead of one large opening. It is a softer silicone. It has that pattern texture inside. Because of that pattern texture, it makes the red looks a little bit of a matte finish. The camera opening is definitely interesting. Case is very minimalist. It is actually probably thicker than some of the last cases we just looked at. It's fully enclosed at the bottom. It does not have any raised lip in the back to offer protection from scratching the back of the phone, and the front offers a minimal amount of lip, not high enough, so probably this is still not in my top three, but just another option to look at. It looks very simple. All right, we're halfway down, 5 more cases to go. This one is by Mkiki. I'm personally a fan of these crystal clear cases. So depending on your style, obviously, hopefully you get to see quite a few of them in this video. This one's crystal clear. It's more of a harder shell. It offers some protections around the edges. Looks like it has the back lip and front lip. Let's take a look. The fit is really nice. It feels good in the hand. The buttons are very clicky. It offers a good amount of camera lens protection in the back. It has the 4 raised edges in the back, so when you set it on the table, you're not going to scratch the case. And the front offers a minimal amount of protection. I like it. Probably I wouldn't rank it higher than the first two because I wish the screen side was raised a little bit more to offer better protection on the screen, but I like this one. It looks good, it feels good. This is case number 7. This is a soft shell. It has the same dotted textured finish inside. This offers a very beefy edge protection. It has a really nice raised lip both in the front and in the back, so you have a good protection from either side. And these corners are just monsters, so it doesn't look as slim, but I like the feel of it. The buttons are not as clicky as I wanted it to be. So if you want slim and you want protection, this actually seems very beefy. All right, this case is by Spigen. Personally, I'm a big fan of Spigen cases. I currently have a Spigen case in my 11 Pro Max. Spigen cases I typically like because they offer a decent amount of protection and they still look and feel very slim. So this has a protective film inside that we get to remove, but the shell is a hard shell. It's not soft. It has raised corners in the back. Solid. The buttons are very clicky. Like I said, it has these 4 raised edges. The camera has a good amount of protection, and the front, it has a really nice raised lip all the way around. So definitely I would put this in the top 3. It just feels really good. It looks really good. I like it. This is JETech. So this actually looks good. This is a hard shell. It doesn't have any extra edge protection. This actually feels good. So interesting. This is the first case today that it has a raised lip all the way around the back, similar to what we had seen in the front. So the entire back is fully protected. And obviously you have the front raised lip all the way around. Also, this does not have any extra protection on the edges and corners. The buttons are very clicky. The camera is nicely protected. The raised edges going all the way around, it just kind of feels weird initially when you hold the phone, but maybe that's something you can get used to it. While it's really nice, probably not in my top 3. It's just a different feel. If you haven't liked this video yet, please go ahead, do so. That will be a great help to this video and to my channel, and comment down below. Let me know which of these cases do you like so far. This is another case by ESR. This is a kickstand that is built into the case, that you get to actually use it to have the phone stand vertically or horizontally. But the shell itself is a soft shell, very nice fit, raised lip all the way around. It's probably on the smaller side, so I wish this was raised a little bit more. The back has that matte finish because of the small dotted pattern that you have inside. The camera has a nice opening. It is very thick in the back, so you have a good amount of protection. The buttons are very clicky, and you have these very small air bubbles on the corners, but you don't have any extra protections around the edges. So this is very convenient. You can have it in vertical or horizontal. So you play in a game, you have the A13 Bionic chip, you can fire up this phone, play your Call of Duty or Fortnite, and this is very convenient. Definitely gonna be in my top 3. All right, so before we get to the final bonus accessory I wanted to share with you guys, my top 5 cases will be case number 1, 2, 6, 7, and 10. So you can go back and take a look at these cases. Not that the other ones are bad, but if I were to force rank these 5, I will put in the top half compared to the other ones. Now the bonus accessory I have is this universal metal kickstand from Spigen. I absolutely love these things. Almost every single phone I get, if it does not have a built-in kickstand, I will go ahead, buy one of these, and then attach it to my favorite clear case. So it's magnetic, it's spring-loaded, it has a very satisfying click to it when you open and close it. It has a very minimalistic look to it. Obviously, you can go ahead, attach it anywhere in your phone that you like. When you get one of these, it comes with an adhesive tape in the back. It's very simple. You just go ahead, peel it off, and attach it to any phone you like. Because of the size of the kickstand, this is not ideal for vertical holding, but if you want to have it in a horizontal position, it's going to work just fine. And when you want to watch any online content, or if you're playing a game, this is a perfect viewing angle, a very nice 45-degree. So this was it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget, let me know which one is your favorite case. As always, I have the link to all these products down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.